Hello friends, very good morning to everybody. I am Namita. Yesterday I started Read Listen with Me series और कल हिस्ट्री का एक वीडियो भी अपलोड किया था. आज मैं 2 वीडियोस अपलोड करूंगी क्योंकि हम डेली 2 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ेंगे. अभी हिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी पढ़ेंगे. ये दोनों सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट होने के बाद हम नेक्स्ट 2 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ेंगे. ऐसा करके हमें पूरा लुसेंट को 1 मंथ में कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है. एंड फ्रेंड्स, मैं जैसे नोट्स बना रही हूँ, प्लीज आप भी ऐसा नोट्स बनाओ, उसे रिवाइज करना है. और चलिए आज का क्लास शुरू करते हैं. Today we'll read biology. This is the biology's first video. So what is biology? Bio means life. Logos means study. Study of life is called biology. Biology has 2 branches, botany and zoology. What is botany? Study of different aspects of plants or study about plant is called botany. Study of animals, study about animals is called zoology. Father of biology is Aristotle. Father of botany is Theophrastus. Father of zoology is Aristotle. Okay, Aristotle was the father of zoology and father of biology. Now, living thing. What is living organism? In your school days, you know what is living thing, what is non-living thing. So I don't want to tell that. So living things mostly use solar energy. Okay, now what are the characters of what are the characters of living organism? They show growth, reproduction, metabolism. So growth means increase in the number of cells or in mass number is called growth. Reproduction, living organisms produce young ones of their same kind. A mother will birth to baby, a cow will birth to calf, a dog will birth to puppy, a cat will birth to kitten. This is called what? Reproduction. Metabolism, chemical reactions occurring inside a living cell is called what? Metabolism. For example, I will show. See, every day we are eating food. We are taking rice. We are eating rice, curry, vegetables, fruits, same chicken, mutton, egg, everything we are eating. No, from proteins, what will come? Amino acids will release. Carbohydrates, glucose will release. Fat to fatty acids or glycerol will release. What happening here? Synthesis of energy or production of energy happening in the form of ADP or ATP. This is the process of metabolism. Okay. Now, metabolism are of 2 types, catabolism and anabolism. What is catabolism? Breakdown of large organic molecules in the smaller molecules is called catabolism. Okay, so some bigger molecules, the large molecules will break into smaller molecules. Okay, here what will happen? Energy will release in catabolism process. What is anabolism? Anabolism is a building up process. Catabolism is a breakdown process and anabolism is a building up or synthesizing of compounds. Here what happening? Energy is released. Here energy will require and here energy will store. Okay. Now, the 4th character is response to stimuli. Living organism will response to stimuli. What? They have the ability to sense the condition of their surrounding. They have the sense organs, they can sense, oh, this is hot, cold, pain, like that they will, what? They will sense. Another example, when we touch the leaves of touch me not plant, they close. So, touch me not plant? So when we'll touch, what will happen? The leaf is like this, means this will like this close. So this movement is called seismonastic movement. जो touch me not plant showing which movement? Seismonastic movement. Now, remember one thing. By chemosynthesis, life on earth originated. By photosynthesis, plants making food. So like that, by chemosynthesis, life on earth originated. Okay. Now, we'll read classification of organism. On the earth's surface, so many organisms are there. So we need to categorize them. We need to group that organisms. So Carl Linnaeus divided all organisms into two kingdoms. Who? Carl Linnaeus. Please remember this name. He divided all that organisms into two groups, Plantae and Animalia. Plantae and Animalia in his book Systema Naturae. Please, you have to remember all that names, okay? In his book Systema Naturae, Carl Linnaeus divided all organisms into Plantae and Animalia. Carl Linnaeus also called father of taxonomy. Genera Plantarium. The book Genera Plantarium was written by Bentham and Hooker. Next we'll read Five Kingdom Classification. What is Five Kingdom Classification? Five Kingdom Classification was proposed in 1969 by R.S. Whitaker. R.S. Whitaker classified all organisms into five kingdoms. Like, what are these? Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Okay, what is Monera? The Monera are the single cell organisms. Also we can call them prokaryotic organisms. The organisms who contain single cell organism, they come under prokaryotic organism. Also we can say macroscopic organisms. What are the Monera? Bacteria, cyanobacteria, filamentous bacteria come under Monera. Okay, remember Monera are the single cell organism. Now come to Protista. Protista, what are Protista? Protista usually have unicellular, also they have multicellular organisms. So these are come under eukaryotic organism. Where they found? They found in water, damp and moist areas. Okay. Diatoms, flagellates, protozoa, euglena, algae all come under Protista. Okay. Now fungi. Non-green plants come under fungi. These plants have saprophytic nutrition. What is saprophytic nutrition? They grow on dead and decay organic matter. Okay. Now this is a plant. So plant have what? Cell walls. The cell wall composed of chitin. Okay, remember chitin. So mushroom, yeast, mucor, albugo come under fungi. Fungi are non-green plants. Now Plantae. All plants except living these algae, diatoms, fungi, Monera, Protista, all plants come under Plantae. Animalia. Almost all animals except Protozoa, all animals come under Animalia. Okay. Now binomial nomenclature. What is binomial nomenclature? Uniform international naming of organism. International naming of organism are called binomial nomenclature. So all organisms in biology, all organisms has two proper names, genus and species. The first name is called genus, second name is called species. Genus always starts with capital letter and species start with small letter. So let's see some scientific names of organisms. These first names are genus, second names are what? Species. Man. What is the scientific name of man? Homo sapiens. Homo has always capital letter and S small letter. Okay. What is the scientific name of cat? Felis domestica. Dog, Canis familiaris. Cow, Bos indicus. Frog, Rana tigrina. Mango, Mangifera indica. Rice, Oryza sativa. Wheat, Triticum acetibum. Gram, Shishir eritum. Pea, Pisum sativum. These are the scientific names of organism. Please remember for the examination. Basic unit of classification is species. Highest unit of classification is kingdom. See here, first kingdom, highest unit is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. So the basic unit is what? Species, and the highest unit is kingdom. So in today's class we will read for this much only. Next